Great, welcome to Mrs. Hicks Writing Tips. Today we're going to learn how to format for MLA paper. So the first thing we need to do is bring up a blank Word document. Before we type anything, change the text to Times New Roman, size 12. Make sure it is black ink. And we're going to go to line spacing. We're going to double and we're going to click on the box. Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style and tell it OK. So now your margins should be set. They're 1 inch. You can go to layout, margins, and you see right here normal 1 inch, top, bottom, left, right. That's the one you want. But if you haven't changed them, then they're automatically set for 1 inch. Then you are going to type your name, your first name, your last name. You are a proper noun. So your first name is capitalized, your last name is capitalized. You're going to put what class? English is a proper noun, so we capitalize it. Then you're going to put what period. You're either going to have me 4th, 5th, or 6th for 9th grade. I'm sorry, you're going to put 9 for 9th grade. Then dash, then what period. 4th, 5th, or 6th. I'll say this one's 6th. Then you're going to put your teacher's name. I am married, so it's Mrs. MRS, period. I am a proper noun, so Mrs. and Hicks are capitalized. Then the last thing for the heading is the due date. This is going to be due March the 12th. So you put the day, the month, the year. Then you're going to put a title. The title is going to be centered, so click before it, click on home, tell it to center. Now we need to get page numbers up here with our last name. So we go to insert, over to where it says page numbers. We want it at the top. We want it to the right, so the third one down. Now this where, be cautious, put your cursor right in front of the number. Type your last name and hit the space bar 1 time. Anywhere below that dotted line, double click, and it will get you out of the heading. Now, if you did this correctly, you'll be able to go to the next page, and it should have your last name. And I guess I should have actually put mouse. And it will change to page 2. If it doesn't continuously count the pages, then you didn't do it correctly. You go back, you'll have to erase it and go back and try it again. Right, so that is our proper format for an MLA paper. Times New Roman, size 12, block ink, double space, remove the extra spacing from between the same type of paragraphs, your name, your class, grade, what period, your teacher's name, the due date, title is centered, and we go up here, double click, and get our page numbers. So the page numbers, again, you go to insert, page number, top of page, the third one down, and then put your cursor in front of it, type your last name, and hit the space bar one time. Go anywhere below the dotted line and double click. And it should continue. So the next one should say mouth 3, and it does. All right, so I hope that helped you with formatting your paper. Remember, everything in this paper is Times New Roman font size 12. You don't change for the title, you don't change for the heading. It's all the same fonts.